All right, friends, so again today we're going to talk about the difference between abstract and concrete nouns. So let's talk about abstract and concrete nouns. So a concrete noun, remember, are nouns that, some nouns are concrete, right? So you can experience them with your five senses. So that would be seeing, smelling, hearing, tasting, and feeling. So some examples of that would be like going to see the beach, right? If I could see it, the beach would be a concrete noun because I can see it. Hear a noise, the noise like bang, clang, pow, right? That would be a concrete noun because I can hear it. Smelling an odor, if something doesn't smell very good, that would be a concrete noun because I can use my nose to smell it. Touching a leaf, right? A leaf would be a concrete noun because I can touch it. Tasting an orange is a concrete noun because I can taste it. Okay? Abstract nouns. So some nouns are abstract. They refer to things that cannot be touched, like ideas, feelings, and qualities. So some example, I want you to think of like our lifelines when you think of these. Some examples of these would be hope, courage, hate, dreams, luck, happy, peace, joy, friendship. Things that are things, but I can't touch. I can't touch them. I can't hear them. I can't see them. I can't feel them. I can't use my five senses to have a real object in front of me. So remember, concrete nouns are things I can touch. Abstract nouns are things I cannot touch. All right. Answer the questions below. Good job.